In the realm of precision engineering and manufacturing, a device known as a coordinate measuring machine, or CMM for short, holds significant importance. This high-precision tool measures the physical, geometrical characteristics of an object. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world of precision measurement. A coordinate measuring machine consists of a probe and three axes, X, Y, and Z. The probe moves along these axes, each of which is perpendicular to the other two. This arrangement allows the probe to reach any point within the machine's measurement volume and collect data points from the object's surface. The probe, often referred to as the heart of the CMM, comes in different forms. Some probes are touch trigger, meaning they register a data point each time they touch the object's surface. Other probes are scanning probes, continuously recording data points as they glide over the surface. Now, how does a CMM work? It's a blend of physics, engineering, and a dash of computer science. The probe collects data points from the object's surface. This data then travels to the machine's computer system where it's processed and analyzed. The result is a detailed three-dimensional map of the object with measurements accurate down to fractions of a millimeter. But a coordinate measuring machine is more than just a high-tech ruler. It's a tool that enables precision, quality control, and innovation. With a CMM, engineers can verify that a part meets its design specifications. Manufacturers can ensure that each product leaving the assembly line meets the highest standards of quality, and researchers can explore objects in minute detail, uncovering new knowledge and sparking new ideas. So, to summarize, a coordinate measuring machine is a high-precision tool that measures the physical, geometrical characteristics of an object. It works by moving a probe along three axes, collecting data points from the object's surface. This data is then processed and analyzed, resulting in a detailed three-dimensional map of the object. The CMM is a crucial tool in engineering, manufacturing, and research, enabling precision, quality control, and innovation. This is the remarkable world of precision measurement, a world where the coordinate measuring machine plays a starring role.